What's good with you guys, man? Back at another banger. It's about 3 o'clock. Apparently there's a car meet downtown around 4. So me and some of the guys, we're about to go link up and stuff, wash up our cars, and then probably head down there. And then we're going to see what else the day has in store for us. And hopefully it'll be a productive day, you know, get some stuff done, get out, have fun, whatever. I got the day off, got tomorrow off. So yeah, let's go out and have some fun, man. Alright, you guys, so I am going to be trying out kind of a new setup. Hopefully it'll work, but I'm gonna be wearing this one whenever I'm like driving with, you know, my friends and stuff, just because I don't like holding the camera while I drive, just because obviously I don't want to be a distracted driver. So I'm gonna try to have that on when I drive, get some cool footage and stuff, sounds, all that good stuff, and, you know, be safe while doing it. Plus I got it, so I might as well put it to use. But as you can see, we got the bag. This thing feels heavy. I think I got drinks in there I might have to take out or something. It's definitely not pounds though, so if the IRS comes for me, it wasn't me. But yeah, so I'm about to do that, get my bag all fixed up stuff, and then we're gonna jump into Hellcat and be on the way. So I did get a custom license plate, but I'm not putting it on until tomorrow. Holy smokes. Alright, so my custom license plate did come in. I'm not putting it on until tomorrow, till I get the cover. But we'll give you guys a little warm start. Alright, gang, we got the camera all cleaned up out of the humidity and stuff. But we're about to go pull up at the wash. Hopefully everybody's there. I'm running a little bit late. I had to grab some quarters and stuff. I do need to fully detail the inside of my car and put some protectant on the leather and stuff. I'll probably do that either tonight or tomorrow. It is a little dirty, but I'm about to go and clean up the outside and stuff, and yeah. As you guys can see, everyone's here waiting for me. But I'm about to jump in here and get my car cleaned up, and then we'll be busting. Alright, y'all, we done made it out the wash. I'm about to go fly down the road, drive for the most part. My boy Kurt. I'm about to go fly this down the road, dry it off, and I get it with the...
Oh, let them know, man.
Yeah.
Let them know what it is, dog.
What's good, my boy?
You know what I'm saying? What's good with you?
Alright, so actually, let me turn this AC down real quick. Alright, you guys, as you can see, we're at the wash. We got a lot of people. It's deep. Some more cars back there. But I ain't gonna lie, I washed my car up, dried it off. It was literally just a car wash. I don't even call it a detail. I literally just rinsed it in there, dried it. I got the drying thing right there. But I'm probably gonna clean my car tonight or tomorrow. There goes my boy Tavy and his new wide body Scat. Shout out to my boy. But yeah, I'm probably gonna detail it tonight when it's dark out and it's a little cooler, or possibly tomorrow morning before I put my license plate on and the cover and all that stuff. Like I was saying earlier, I'm not putting the plate on until the cover and then the actual back protection thing, so it doesn't hit the paint, comes in. But that'll be coming in tomorrow, so we're just chilling here. I'm in here enjoying the AC. I'm about to turn it back. My boy Kurt, 5.0 Mustang, 5.7 Cat, 10-speed SS, RT, Scat wide body, Durango, SS, RT, hella more parts, wide bodies, yeah. Look at these wide bodies, whole lot of ass, so thick. We deep, well, some. Alright, you guys, let me turn down this AC, but we're about to go and head downtown. Apparently there's like a little car meet there. There's also the Gus Macker. If you're not from Jackson, it's basically a big basketball event where they shut down the streets downtown and have like a whole basketball kind of event thing going on. So it's pretty cool. We're about to go down there, see what's going on, everything. And I'll record a little bit on the way there just so I'm hands-free, staying safe while still getting footage and all that. I'll put it in custom since we're going to be driving about. course we get stuck at the light, but we'll make it back up there. Let me turn you down, Dame Dot. You already got enough money. You don't need to be making money off my YouTube videos. But we got this key in front of us that kind of blocked us off from everybody else. I still see them all up there, so we're all good. My tires are super sticky. I heated them up a little bit earlier just to get a little run in. So if you hear any rocks and stuff, it's not hitting the body. It's literally just a rock sticking to the tire, hitting the rock guards and all that other stuff. Throw these windows up real quick so I can talk to you guys. Got my boy Britton on the bike right in front of us. We got a whole bunch of other cars in front of us. We got some more cars behind us. We're looking pretty good right now, I'm not gonna lie. But we're just cruising. Gonna be pulling up downtown in a little minute. Just like that, we are at the speed limit, guys. Just so you guys know, I do plan on upgrading my GoPro at some time. So far it's been doing me pretty good. I do have a little crack in the lens, so that's pretty ass. But other than that, I think the quality's pretty decent. But you know me, I want the best of the best, so I do plan on upgrading it no matter what. It's just a matter of when and when I get the time around to do it. But as you can see, downtown is right down there. We're about to bust a left, go through the streets, find somewhere to park, and then we're lit. My tires are so sticky, bro. You can hear all of them rocks sticking to that thing. No cap. Oh, and if you guys are asking about that, my tire pressure monitor system, it's because I dropped my back tires when I warmed them up. I dropped them down to about like 20, 22, warmed them up. It jumped back up to 25. And honestly, I'm probably going to drive like this from now on because I get a lot more grip driving with the tires down, and I like it. Because, you know, the more grip I have, the faster it is to get to the speed limit, and it's also less dangerous because I'm not going to be sliding all over the place. So this probably, you guys are probably going to see that tire monitor a lot because I'm going to have them low, just so I can, you know, really get traction. So you guys can see we made it downtown Jackson. It's a pretty nice city, even though it's pretty small. It is what it is. At least it looks nice. I don't know if the actual city's too nice because, you know, there's a lot of stuff that goes on here, etc. But we made it to the location. We're about to park up, and yeah, we're officially here. As you guys can see, none of my friends know how to park apparently, so this is pretty fun. Boom, just like that, we switched cameras. We're downtown. My boy Aaron just parked up, so it's time to get out this hot ass car. Even though it's cold in here, it's gonna be way hotter outside, but you feel me? Alright gang, we moving spots because apparently they got a whole little car meet going on down over there. So we're moving down there. Alright you guys, so we got Reek in the background. He loves laying down that horn. I call him the horn man. But I guess we're going to Harbor Freight. I guess that's where all the cars are at. So we'll see you guys when we're there and on the way there. They lit as hell. That's my favorite thing about being in this car stuff, man. Is seeing people's reactions to you driving, the gang driving, all of that. That's the best part. Little kids. There's a little kid, I was at Speedway, and his mom came out the car. She's like, hey, can my son look at your car? I was like, of course. I even let him start him up, rev it. I got a little clip of it on my Snapchat. I'll save it and try to put it in the video. But that's just my favorite part. And you know, growing up, I wasn't really a car kid, so I don't really get the, or not get, but I didn't really have that viewpoint prior. Like, there was obviously things I looked up. there's obviously things I looked up to that would have been cool to see and get experience with as a kid. So anytime there's a kid, you know, I'll let them look at it, rev it, whatever. Now if they start clawing and touching everything, the paint and all that, I'll be all right, your time's up. But you know, I always try to, you know, give back, look out, whatever, for kids, anybody, just because, you know, a lot of responsibility that comes with this, you know, being known, having a group like this, all that other stuff. So this thing is a rocket ship.
My battery died. I had to jump and I had to program. I can feel it on my leg. It's hot. I ain't gonna lie. I like it. Just park right there.
We out here at the gas station trying to figure out what's going on next. You know what's going on.
Hey, this nigga got my damn
What you gotta say?
Huh?
What you gotta say to YouTube?
Man, this is day in life of BM Reek and the Get Off, you feel me?
See you, Emmy, Daytona, day of the life.
Show him all that bullshit you put on shit.
Bro, I try to tell you to back up, bro. Alright, you guys, so we just got, not kicked out, but police asked us to leave Admiral. We literally came across the road. They said it would be cool if we hung out here in this vacant parking lot. It's actually funny because that's my guy Stallworth. He was a football coach for me, and I think it was freshman and maybe sophomore year. But he's cool as hell. He just asked us to come over here. He didn't come over here and try to, you know, harass us just for being young and having cars and stuff. You know, he respected us. We respected him. Mutual ways. Gotta love when police are nice. When the police are bad, that's when they're not good. But shout out to the good ones out there. You feel me?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, it is about to rain. Oop, we gotta turn the car on to roll the windows down. I almost forgot. As you guys can see, it's about to rain. Over there, it looks good, but here it's gonna storm. Some of my buddies from Lansing saying it's hurricane and stuff up there, so I'm gonna hurry up and skate home so I don't get caught in the rain. So I'll probably pick the camera up when I get home, finish this video, and see you guys then. Alright, you guys, so I should have been home like 15 minutes ago, but the thing is, I went past Ella Sharp. That's usually the way I take to go home. And I guess there was a hot air jubilee, whatever they call those things. So the roads were all shut down. There's cops everywhere. So then I had to turn around, come all the way to the other side, go past Parkside or whatever, and then I had to go through Cascade. So I'm just happy I haven't got caught in the rain yet. Hopefully I'll get home before it starts raining, because I did kind of just gave myself a little basic car wash. Plus I really do not want to drive this car in the rain. It's super dangerous, hydroplaning, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the crib.
Foot on the gas, both hands on the steering wheel. Jumped in the game cause I know it's real. Heard it'll change you and know it will. Getting still, we made it over the hill.